Hey guys, Varun Marathi here, and in this video I'm going to do a very quick unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Fit. Now before I do the unboxing, I would like to thank my sponsor, which is Birje Solutions Private Limited. It is a Samsung Smart Cafe located in Thergaon, Pune, and they have all the original Samsung accessories along with the latest Note devices, so do check it out. I have also done the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Note 9, Note 10 in the Aura Red variant, so do check that out as well. So here we have the box. On the box we have the image of the Fit over there. We have certain specifications on the side and on the back as well. On the left side we have the Galaxy Fit branding, and on the bottom we have the MRP, which is 9,990 Indian rupees, but you can also get it at 8,990 Indian rupees. So let's get in the box. So as you can see, it's a very simple packaging. Over here in the center we have the charging brick, which is wireless charging for the Fitbit, which is there. And as you can see over here, we have just a USB type A at one end and the Qi enabled wireless charging, which will only charge this Galaxy Fit over here. So it looks really simple and nice. Now just taking off the band from the box over here, it feels really light in hand. It weighs, I guess, roughly around just 75 to 80 grams. The only adapter which is there in the center, the center piece, weighs around 23 grams without the straps. And as you can see, the black looks really classy. We have a super AMOLED display in the middle. It is really tiny, I would say, but considering the basic functionality is only for fitness, because of which we have this fancy looking strap as well to keep it in place, I think it would suffice. Now let's just see if it switches on. Yeah, it does. So we have the Galaxy Fit branding on the screen over there, and the black does look really good, and it has booted up really quickly. And as you can see, this is the home screen, and we just have swipe gestures over here where we can measure steps, heartbeats. It can also recognize a few workouts and stress level as well, and we can add a few more widgets once it is synced to the Samsung Gear app. And when we just pull down the notification panel over there, we have a few options, one of which is increasing the brightness. So this is the max brightness, and I would say you can see it very clearly. And the blacks looks really great, and I would say that because of it looks that it is an entire screen over there, definitely enough to actually see the wearable anywhere, and even in the bright sunlight I think it will be really very visible. And again, this is a complete circle you can make by just swiping. You will reach the home screen, and it will also show some basic notifications on the left side over here. Once it is connected to the watch, you can't interact with the notifications, but you can definitely connect with them. This is a really basic and good looking Fit Galaxy Fit which is there. And as you can see, this is how it looks on the wrist. It also has the wake up gestures. Once you turn your wrist like you do in order to see the timing, it would do that. And as you can see, these are all the different modes which can also be changed from the Samsung Gear Wear app. And it all in all, it looks really good on the hand as well. It is really small, as you can see, but it looks sporty, and the band also looks really good, and I think it will keep the Galaxy Fit on your hand very easily, and it gets off also very easily. And it is waterproof as well, water resistant up to 580 m, and it does look really good. So yeah, this was all guys. This was my unboxing of Galaxy Fit. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll definitely see you in my next video.